Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm recording this to show you how to take a list of business name ideas that is generated by ChatGPT or any AI service that doesn't do a good job of recognizing what names they've already used and making it where it's really easy to get rid of duplicated names. So, the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go into whatever blog it is, and you're going to need to copy all the names. You're then going to go into a Google spreadsheet and Control V, and then you're going to repeat that for each section. And that's the last one. So we have 445 business names in this one. So I would copy this row, Control C, and then Control V. Now take the second row, go to data, select the second row, go to data cleanup, remove duplicates. It will bring up this where it says 1000 rows and 1 column selected, select all, select column C, just leave those the same, remove duplicates. It will then tell you 23 duplicate rows found and removed. We have 422 unique names. So now push OK. So now if you go down to the very bottom, you're going to see that it removes some names. So then you're going to want to look at each section. So the first section ends at Fuzzy Friends Foster Care. Which is right here. Control Shift V. So that one's identical. That one didn't change. So the next one ends at Queen Bee Cleaning Service. So we're going to want to go from there to there. Control C. Control V. That one stayed the same. So then Shutter and Smile to Sunny Smiles. So that one stayed the same. So Fiber Fantasies was the first one that was taken out. Control F, Fiber. So yeah, that one got reduced by 1. So crafty corner. To adventure awaits. Change, cool. Oh shoot. Format, data cleanup, remove duplicates, select all, no duplicate rows were found. Cool. So this bottom section was fine. Alright, so that is the process of how you eliminate duplicate business names. This one was fairly easy. Some of them will have more. I've seen somewhere will remove like 20 or 45. It's a fairly short process, though. I mean, all in all, I've been recording for about 20 minutes. But it can take less time for one because you aren't recording, and the more of these you do, the faster you get. So, at best, I'd expect it to take about 20 minutes. Thanks. Or at worst, I'd expect it to take 20 minutes. At best, maybe 5 to 10. All right, thank you. I'll post this now. Bye.